So welcome to Math with H. Now we want to see how we can also apply the lattice method to multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Okay, so you can see we're having 3 digits here. Okay, so the process still remains the same. We're going to draw a box. Okay, we're going to draw a box. But this time our box will be divided into 3 partitions. Okay, because we're having 3 digits, and then we'll put our 154 on top. And then also divide it horizontally into 3 partitions. We put our 3, 2, 3 here. Okay, so that is our box. So next, so let's do the same thing. We divide or we share it diagonally in our line, diagonally, divide, diagonally, do the line diagonally. Okay, and then this. So let's go now. Let's multiply. Let's go. 3 times 4, that's 12, which one 2. 2 times 4, that is 8. We write it as 0, 8. Let's go 3 times 4, that's 12, 1, 2. Let's go 3 times 5, that is 15, 1, 5. 2 times 5, that's 10, 1, 0. 3 times 5, that's 15, 1, 5. Let's go 3 times 1, 3, write it as 0, 3. 2 times 1, that's 2, write it as 0, 2. 3 times 1, 3, write it as 0. Yeah, so 3 times 1, that's 0, 3. So all we have to do now is to add everything diagonally, okay? So let's go. I'm going to add this 2. 8 plus 1, that's 9. 9 plus 5, that is 14. I'm going to write 4. I'll take that one to the next diagonal. So I'm going to add it here, okay? So I'm going to have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4, plus 3, which is 7. I'm just adding diagonally, okay? So let's go 1 plus 5, 6, plus 1, 7, plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. Here, there's nothing here. This is 0. So I'm going to have 49742. So my answer to this is 49742. So all these values here, that's the solution. So this is the solution to this problem. I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this, and teach this to your kids if they are finding the other method of multiplication difficult. I think this can be of help to them as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.